The activated sludge. Activated sludge process derives its name from the biological mass formed when air continuously injected into the wastewater. So this sludge, a mixture of wastewater and biological sludge microorganism, is agitated and aerated. Suspended growth process, which organisms or microorganisms are suspended in the liquid wastewater. Because of the use of organic compounds, the microorganisms will be able to grow. As microorganisms grow and are mixed by agitation of the air that is injected, that's why it is called activated sludge. The individual organisms clump together to form activate mass of microbes, and now this is what we call the activated sludge. Mixed liquor is what we called when the mixture of activated sludge and wastewater in the aeration tank. This mixed liquor flows from the aeration tank to a secondary clarifier where the activated sludge is settled out. In conventional activated sludge systems, the wastewater is typically aerated for 6 to 8 hours in a long rectangular aeration basins. So these are in a rectangular tank. About 8 cubic meter of air is provided for each cubic meter of wastewater treated. The activated sludge process is controlled by wasting a portion of microorganism each day in order to maintain the proper amount of microorganism to efficiently degrade the BOD. Next, we have the description of activated sludge processes and process modification. There are lots of modification of the conventional activated sludge process developed just to address specific treatment problems that may occur every time they will be processing activated sludge. The process of conventional plug flow. When the settled wastewater and recycled sludge enter the head end of the aeration tank, air application is generally uniform throughout tank length. So during this aeration period, the adsorption, flocculation, and oxidation of organic matter occurs. The next is the complete mix. The process complete mix is of the flow regime of a continuous flow stirred tank reactor. Wastewater settled and recycled activated sludge are introduced typically at several points in the aeration tank. We have also the process of tapered aeration, modification of the conventional plug flow process. So this is just improved plug flow process. Greater amount of air are supplied to the head end of the aeration tank, and the amount diminished as the mixed liquor approaches the effluent end. Next, also we have the process of step feed aeration. Modification of conventional plug flow, in which the settled wastewater is introduced at several points in the aeration tank to equalize the food to organism ratio. So if in conventional plug flow, the air application is uniform throughout the tank, here in step feed aeration, it is introduced also at several points in the aeration tank, but has the goal to equalize the food to microorganism ratio. And also, the flexibility of its operation is one of the important features of this process. Next, we have the modified aeration. Similar to conventional plug flow, except the shorter aeration times and higher food to microorganism ratios are used, the BOD removal efficiency is lower than other activated sludge processes.